Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to demonstrate the one concept, and that concept is what OSPF multi-area configuration. So as we know that there is multi-area configuration, it means what? If you go with the diagram, there is a diagram, and this diagram is showing, let's say, this particular router is what the area border router. So here our purpose is to set area border router so that this area 1 and area 0 will be connected via this particular border router. So this is what the multi-area concept, because one autonomous system comprises of multiple areas. For that purpose we have to go into set this particular ABT. Okay, so here, if you go with the topology, there are 5 networks, guys. This is the network, which ID is what 192.160.10.0. The second network is available 192.160.20.0. Third network is available, and there is what 192.168.1.0. Fourth network is available 192.160.2.0, and fifth network is what 192.168.3.0. So these are the 5 networks are available. So on the basis of this 5 network, we have to configure the multiple areas OSPF configuration. Now, if you go with the multiple areas configuration sites or any routing protocols, any routing mechanism, we have to first set the IP addresses. So we have set the IP address over here, guys. And IP address is what? Here in this Nagpur router, this is what the Nagpur router. We have set this IP address on the serial interface is what 10.1. On this here fast Ethernet, what we have set it 1.1. On this Pune router, what we have set over here 10.2, over here 2.1, and the third interface is what 20.1. At here Mumbai router, we have set it this 20.0, this 3.1. Okay, so this is very prior step. If you don't have the knowledge about how to set the router interfaces, please do watch that previous video about the router configuration or router interface configuration. Okay, so first of all, go to the router and check whether any protocol is set. So type the show IP protocol command. So there is showing there is no result. That means what? There is no any protocol has been set. Okay, what to do? Again, then type one command, show IP route, and check how many routes are available. So there are only 2 routes in Nagpur network, that is 1.0 and 10.0, guys. Okay, go to the Pune router and check what is the scenario. So show IP route, guys. There are 3 networks are available, because to the Pune what we have connected Nagpur as well as the Mumbai, and their sub networks also connected. Okay, so Nagpur, Mumbai, and the sub network is also connected. And this Mumbai router, if you check the show IP route command, so there will be only one network available. Okay, but here we have to set this. So I think the third network has not set. So go to the configuration mode, CONF configuration terminal, go to the interface, that is 0/0, and type the no shutdown command. I think it is going to be up now. Okay, and check whether it has reached or not. So show IP route. Okay, still it is showing only one. Let me check what happened. So fast Ethernet 0/0 has not set. Okay, so go to the fast Ethernet. Sorry, go to the configuration mode first of all. Then go to the interface 0/0. Then give the IP address 192.168.3.1 followed by subnet mask 255.255.0, and give that command no shutdown. So I think it is now set. Now check whether it is entry available or not. Okay, so show IP route. Okay, both the networks are available now. Okay, so here what our concept is, our concept is to divide this area, divide this network in, divide this topology into 2 areas. So I'm dividing this topology into this 2 area like this. Likewise, this is what the area 0, which is backbone, and from this area to this area, this will be the area 1. Okay, so for that purpose we have to follow the commands, as like we have to go to the router of Nagpur and go to the configuration mode, and configuration mode type the router OSPF 10 I'm using process ID and previous video. Then type the networks, self network 192.168.1.0 first of all, then wildcard mask 0.0.0.255, and then area will be 0. My area will be 0. Then I have second network. The second network ID is what 10.0. So I'm putting that 10.0 into area 0. Okay. So Nagpur configuration is done. Now go to the Pune router and go to the configuration mode. Sorry, CONF configuration terminal. Then type router OSPF. Then ID will be 10. Then type the networks 192.168.10.0 wildcard mask 0.0.0.255. Then area will be 0. Okay, this is what the area 0. Then my second network to put into area is what the 2.0. So put that 2.0 in network area 0. So I'm putting that area 0. And then third network, the third network is what 20.0. 20.0 that need to put in area 1. They need to put in area 1, this area, this network. Okay, so Pune router configuration also done. Now go to the Mumbai router and go to the configuration terminal, go to the router, type router OSPF, then process ID is 10, then type the network 192.168.20.0 guys. Then type the wildcard mask 0.0.0.255. Then area will be 1. Area will be 1. Then my last network is there, and the last this is showing that is full state. It means what everything is done, adjacency are done. Okay, then my last network is what? My last network is what? 3.0. Last network is what? 3.0. Put it, I put it into the area 1. Okay. Now let's see. Go to the first router, Nagpur router, and check whether the protocol has configured or not. So for that purpose, show IP protocol is command and check. So here OSPF protocol has set whose ID is 10, process ID is 10. Routing for networks done 1.0 10.0 in area 0 area 0. There is a gateway also set 10.1 20.1. Administrative distance also showing, so everything is showing. Now check show IP route. Okay, show IP route, so it is coming, show IP route. Now here there is a one concept guys. O stand for what? Let's say OSPF. O stand for what? OSPF. But here there is some new term is available, and this is what the IA, inter area information. This inter area information belongs to what? Multiple areas, because Nagpur, to the Nagpur router, Mumbai router is not in that same area, so it is inter area. More than one areas are available, so it is showing via IA, and it is learning via 10.2. This is what the exit interface. But if you go with the middle router, and the middle router is what? Pune router. Here in a Pune router is what? Pune router is what the our backbone router or area router. So here there is no any inter area concept. All the things are going to be understood by or learned by only OSPF, and that is O. Okay, but if you go with the Mumbai router guys, and to the Mumbai, Nagpur is inter area. Nagpur is what? Inter area. So show IP route. If you type show IP route, so here there are three networks are inter area, because they are remote. They are not part of that area 1. They are part of area 0. Okay, there are two areas, area 0, area 1. So here IA showing is what? Inter area, and he's learned via 20.1, because to the Mumbai, this will be the exit interface. This will be the exit interface. Now, this is what the OSPF multiple area configuration, guys. To check other more commands, so we can type show IP OSPF, show IP OSPF command. We can see the OSPF details, guys. Here ID is set. All the packets are there. Area backbone 0 is area there. Then other packets are also showing. So this is the information. Then type show IP OSPF neighbor information. So neighbor information is what? Who is the neighbor to the Nagpur? That is what? 20.1, because 10.0 is also network. So 20.1 is the neighbor. It is what? The neighbor. Again, check one command, show IP OSPF database. This is what very important, guys. This is very difference. Earlier in a single area configuration, we have discussed and we have shown the database in those only this area. But here it is showing area 0, area 0. Okay, with the description, another information. If you go with another router, and that is what Pune router, and show IP OSPF database, here there is a two information available, guys. Area 1 information is available, area 1 information is available, area 0 information available, area 0 information available. So both the information is going to be stored in this router, because this router is what called as the area border router, guys. Area border router. So this is very important concept, guys. And the other command we have checked earlier. So I hope, guys, this is what multiple area concept is clear to you. In this multiple area, what we have did, we have kept this into the area 0, this portion where 10.0, 2.0, 1.0, and this portion that is 3.0 and 20.0 we have kept in the area 1, and that's why it is showing that this is what the inter area. And if you go with the Mumbai router, guys, and show the command show IP, what we can say, the OSPF database. So here only area 1 and area 1 information will be there. So here area 1 information. In the Nagpur router, what we have area 0 information. But if you go with the Pune router, and the Pune router is showing this is what the backbone area. This is what the border area and border router is there. So that's why it's maintaining the all the information left side, at the left hand side and right hand side. It is more, it means what, if any query comes from the any computer from the Nagpur network, it will be ping. So let's try to ping. Go to the computer, go to the command prompt, and ping 190, sorry, 192.168.1.2 itself. It is pinging. Now let's check for the next, that is 1.1, whether it is reaching the Nagpur router. It is pinging. Just try to go outside the Nagpur router. So 10.1 is there. So it is also pinging. Again, just type the 10.2 IP address, which is the out interface over here. This is also pinging. And let's try any router, that is what, let's say 3.1 IP address of the third router, Mumbai router. It is pinging, guys. So in this way, we can show all the configurations are running and all the information is showing, where this is very important, guys. This middle area or middle router is what, the area border router. This is what the area border router, which holds the information of area 1 and area 0. I hope, guys, this is okay with you. Thank you so much.